Today I'm going to be trying these new Lay's potato chip flavor. This is the bacon grilled cheese flavor. As soon as I hit the store, I was like, okay, I have to try this because I bet this is good. Smells good. It might smell like the bacon. You can taste the bacon really good in this. It's good. And you can taste a little bit of like the grilled cheese part. I'll give these an 8 out of 10. I think they're pretty decent. I like to taste the grilled cheese part a little better. But other than that, it's still good. For today.